Hey guys, before I start this video, I just want to let you know, go subscribe to Ethan's channel, Cool Guys 42 Flowers. I will leave a link down in the description below to it. Hello everybody, my name is Shuttle Bunny, and welcome to another reaction. Today we're going to be reacting to Buttered Side Down. It's a new channel I found out. Can I fix this? Thank you. Making a paper airplane is going to be the name of this video. I will leave a link down in the description below. Go subscribe to Buttered Side Down in the description below. Also, go check this video out. Description below. I'll probably leave a thing in the beginning of this video to go subscribe to Ethan. That will also be in the description below. And without further ado, I want to see this because it looks good. I just found this channel on my recommended after I was watching How To Basic. So, let's see. Making a paper airplane. I'm getting How To Basic vibes. I guess that's why it came in recommended after How To Basic. Apparently it involves ketchup. I hope. Or blood, I guess. Cut himself again. So I'm guessing this is not How To Basic because I just heard him say, "Oh my God." So that would just break all of it. If it was How To Basic, it would be like How To Basic actually revealing his real voice, and he would never do that. He would never reveal his face or his voice. So, yeah. WD-40. Whoa! He's dripping blood. Okay, I don't think a paper cut will give you that much blood. Oh my God. I don't know if it was funny to all you guys. It was freaking funny to me. I just love how he went. Like he's mad. He's really mad about it. He's really, really mad about just the situation that he's in. No. Okay, that's not real. That's corn syrup. There's no way you can bleed that much of a freaking paper cut. You can't bleed that much with a paper cut. Oh, he finally made it. Okay. Oh my days. Oh gosh. Well, we saw Buttered Side Down. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm trying not to pause it as much as I usually am. You guys have been telling me you guys are really getting mad that I always pause it. So I'm going to try and avoid always pausing it. Make sure to go subscribe to Ethan's channel. There should be a card coming up right here. Also, link down in the description below to go subscribe to Ethan's channel. So, yeah. Anyway, thank you everyone so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!